Can a cheating partner really change? The brutal truth nobody tells you. Let me ask you something honestly. If someone cheats on you, can they really change? Or are you just hoping they will? This is one of the hardest relationship questions because it's emotional. When you love someone, you don't want to walk away. You want to believe the apology. You want to believe the tears. But today, we are not talking about feelings. We are talking about facts. And I'm going to tell you the truth, not the romantic version. 1. Why people cheat. Before we talk about change, we need to understand why cheating happens. Most people think cheating is about attraction. It's not. Cheating usually comes from low self-control, emotional immaturity, need for validation, avoidance of conflict, lack of boundaries. Some people cheat because they are unhappy. Others cheat because they can. That's the uncomfortable truth. If someone cheats because of character flaws, insecurity, impulsiveness, ego, that doesn't disappear just because they got caught. Getting caught creates regret. But regret is not the same as transformation. 2. What fake change looks like. This is where most people get manipulated. Fake change looks like, I swear it will never happen again. I didn't mean to hurt you. I was drunk. It didn't mean anything. Why can't you just move on? Notice something. Most of those statements focus on minimizing damage, not fixing behavior. If they are more concerned about stopping your anger than rebuilding your trust, that's not growth. That's damage control. Real change isn't emotional speeches. It's consistent action over time. And most people don't have the discipline for that. 3. What real change actually requires. If someone truly wants to change after cheating, here's what it looks like. 1. Full accountability. No blaming you. No excuses. No, we both made mistakes. They own it. Completely. 2. Transparency. Phone openness. Schedule clarity. No secrecy. Not because you demand it, but because they offer it. 3. Cutting off temptation. Blocking the person. Changing environments. Setting boundaries. 4. Self-work. Therapy. Counseling. Deep reflection. Because cheating is a symptom. The real issue is deeper. 5. Patience with your healing. They don't rush you. They don't get angry when you're triggered. They understand they broke trust, and rebuilding it takes time. And here's the key. This must last longer than your pain. Anyone can behave well for 2 weeks. Character is revealed in consistency. 4. The hard truth. Can cheaters change? Yes. But most don't. Because change requires ego death. It requires humility. It requires discipline. And many people would rather find someone new than face themselves. Here's something powerful. If they changed only after they were about to lose you, they didn't change because cheating was wrong. They changed because losing you was inconvenient. There's a difference. 5. Should you stay? Now the real question. Should you stay with someone who cheated? Ask yourself this. Do I feel safer or more anxious? Are their actions rebuilding trust, or am I forcing myself to forget? Do they show long-term behavioral change, or temporary guilt? You can forgive someone and still walk away. Forgiveness is for your peace. Staying is about your standards. And and standards are what protect your future. If you're in this situation right now, I want you to remember this. Love without respect will slowly destroy your confidence. Choose someone whose actions make you feel secure, not someone whose words make you feel hopeful. Comment below. Do you believe cheaters can truly change? And if this helped you see things clearly, subscribe for more real relationship truths.